Welcome to Anti-Aging Insights, where age is a state of mind and aging is a treatable condition. And now, here is your host, Dr. Teri Fisher.
Hey there, and welcome back to this episode of the Anti-Aging Insights podcast. It's great to have you here. I'm Dr. Fisher, and today we are diving into a topic that has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and this is all about butt augmentation with various types of fillers. Now, I know when people think of enhancing their backside, surgery often is the first thing that comes to mind. But what if I told you there was a way to sculpt and enhance your buttocks without going under the knife? That's where a variety of different types of fillers come in, and it can be a very safe, effective, and minimally invasive option for those who are looking to boost volume, shape, and lift. So in this episode, we're going to break down 3 of the popular fillers that can be used for butt augmentation: Sculptra, hyaluronic acid fillers, and Radiesse. I'll explain how they work, what makes each of them unique, and who they're best suited for. So if you are curious about non-surgical butt enhancement, then this episode is for you. So let's jump right in. First up, we have Sculptra. If you've heard of it before, it's probably because it's widely used for facial rejuvenation, but it's also a great option for adding volume to the buttocks. So what is it? Well, Sculptra is a collagen stimulator made from poly-L-lactic acid. Sounds a bit technical, but stay with me. Unlike fillers that give an instant result by directly adding volume, Sculptra works by encouraging your body to produce its own collagen over time, essentially getting your body to do the heavy lifting. Here's how it works. After it's injected, the Sculptra stimulates the collagen production, gradually increasing the volume in the treated area. What that means is that the results aren't immediate, but that's kind of the beauty of it, because over several weeks or months, you start to notice a subtle lift and fullness that looks natural because it's your own collagen that is creating the change. It's perfect for someone who's looking for a gradual enhancement rather than an instant change. It's also great for improving the skin texture too. And the best part is that the results can last for up to 2 years and sometimes even longer. So it's a long-term investment in the appearance with minimal downtime. Now, number 2 is hyaluronic acid fillers. And if you are someone who prefers instant results and you want to see those results right away, you don't want to wait for the collagen to grow, then hyaluronic acid fillers might be more your speed. These are probably the most common type of filler out there, especially for the face, but they can also be used for buttock enhancement. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that naturally occurs in your skin, which is why these fillers are so popular for facial treatments. When it's injected into the buttocks, hyaluronic acid fillers work by drawing moisture into the area, giving you a smoother, fuller look almost immediately. The cool thing about these fillers is that they're adjustable. If you want more volume later, you can always add more filler gradually. The results aren't permanent. They typically last about 6 to 12 months, which is ideal if you're looking for some temporary enhancement or if you like the flexibility to tweak it over time and try it out. So I would say that hyaluronic acid fillers are best for those who want a subtle, quick fix without the downtime. If you've got an event coming up or you just want to try out a fuller look, this could be a great option for you. The third option that I want to briefly talk about is Radiesse. And this gives you an instant lift with long-term benefits. So if you're after both the immediate volume and long-term improvement, this might be your go-to type of filler. It's a bit different from the hyaluronic acid and Sculptra. It's made from calcium hydroxyl apatite, which not only adds volume right away, but also stimulates the collagen production, similar to Sculptra. So you get that instant lift, but as time goes on, your body's collagen production helps maintain the results. What's great about the Radiesse is that it provides a firmer, more lifted appearance compared to some other fillers. It's a popular choice for those who want immediate enhancement, but with the added benefit of long-lasting results, up to 18 months, sometimes longer. It's ideal for people who want a bit more structure and firmness, as it tends to give a slightly more defined natural feel. So having said all that, you're probably wondering, okay, so which one is right for me? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for in terms of results, how much downtime you can handle, and how long you want those results to last. If you're after a slow, natural enhancement that lasts a long time, Sculptra could be the perfect fit. If you need something more immediate with the flexibility to adjust, hyaluronic acid might be your best bet. And if you want both instant volume and long-term collagen stimulation, Radiesse could check all the boxes for you. What's also interesting is that we can actually do a treatment with a combination of these. So sometimes we can use a little bit of Sculptra with some hyaluronic acid filler, and that way we get the best of both worlds. Of course, the best way to figure this out is to book a consultation and have a discussion because everybody's goals are different. So a customized approach is key. So that's a wrap on today's quick episode on butt enhancements. We covered a lot, from gradual enhancements with Sculptra to instant results with hyaluronic acid to the firming benefits of Radiesse. Whether you're curious about butt augmentation or you just want to learn more about non-surgical options, there's something out there for everyone. Remember, the goal of any aesthetic treatment should be to enhance what you already have, not to completely change who you are. And with non-surgical fillers, you have the flexibility to make subtle changes that can boost your confidence without the commitment of surgery. If you have any questions or you want to explore what treatment might be best for you, then of course, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to chat about how we can sculpt your confidence safely, naturally, and on your terms with what would be best for you in a customized approach. Thanks for tuning in to Anti-Aging Insights. I'm Dr. Fisher. Feel free to connect with me on Instagram at Dr. Teri Fisher or on my website, drterifisher.com, and I'll catch you in the next episode.
Thanks for listening to today's episode of Anti-Aging Insights. Stay tuned to discover more of the latest news, treatments, technologies, and developments in non-surgical cosmetic and anti-aging medicine. For more inspiration, to access the show notes, or to book an appointment with Dr. Fisher, Dr. Frame, or any of the other anti-aging professionals, please visit our website at antiagingvancouver.com. Until next time, stay inspired and live life well.